Guys, and welcome back to Hobbies. And in this video I'm going to show you the process of how I made my little yarn Rapunzel doll. Let's start with the easiest part, and that is the making of the dress. I have used purple and pink yarn and wrapped them over something that will determine the height of my doll. I've used a photo frame for the same. This is by far the easiest part in this doll making. The head and the arms, we are going to crochet them. I'm not tying it in the middle, I'm tying it at one end. That will determine, this portion will determine the body. That's almost 50% of the work done. Now we need to make the string for the arms, some sequins and a crochet head. Let's begin with making the arms. It's very simple. Just make the slip knot and chain 30 or according to the size of your doll. We don't want too long or too short string for the arms. You can check it with your tassel with the body, what the size that is appropriate for you. Next, leave first stitch, turn the chain upside down and start working on the loop that's behind the chain and not in the chain itself. This way our string will not twist. If you don't want to crochet the arms, you can take 3 strings or 6 strings of yarn and braid them together to make the string for the arms. Let's make the head now. I'm taking size 2 crochet hook and a 2-ply yarn. The skin tone. We'll start by making a slip knot and chain 4, then we'll join it. It's basically we are making a crochet ball. It's really a tiny crochet ball, and that should be suitable with the body that we made. It should not be larger or smaller than it. That's why we made the body first, and now we're making the head. There are in total 7 rounds. The first 2 are the increments, the last 2 are the decrements, and the 3 in between do not have any increments or decrements. The instructions are captioned already. Just follow along. If you want to learn how to make a crochet ball properly, you can visit our channel for the basics of crocheting and to know and to learn how to make crochet balls. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content of our channel, do subscribe and share our content with your friends and family. It would mean a world to us. There you go. Now let's just fix some hair on this doll. Cut out some strings of brown colored yarn of equal length, and then fold them in half. Join them to the crochet ball as you see me doing. Knot these hair strands around the hairline, that you can consider the hairline on this ball, and if need be you can add some more strings behind the hairline as well. To make it look more dramatic, you can even unwind the yarn strands. That will make the hair a bit bushy and a little bit curly too. I have done it to few of the strands and not all of the strands, and we'll start braiding it. Let's stitch the head to the body. I'm stitching and not using any super glue or glue gun. I don't like how glue gun feels and looks on a yarn, so that's why I'm stitching it as I'm also stitching the sequins to the braid and not glue them over it. I want them to secure firmly, and again I don't like how glue feels on the yarn.